they cook boa and bhorta, so it is very famous in our. And then it is also famous for potato like aloo. It's
Hello everyone, my name is Tasnim Shikdar Prathoma. I'm from Munshiganj. So today I want to share my journey with English Fantasy. So basically it's been 1 month since I joined with them and I'm seeing my improvement day by day. I still remember my first day of English Fantasy. Actually, I was quivering before saying anything in English, but now I'm confident I'm able to speak in English. They taught me how to talk to anyone without translating anything into my native language. Before joining here, I almost translate everything into my native language, but now I just say what comes to my mind first and what sounds good and more natural to me. Now, I want to say something about the environment of English Fantasy. Well, so if you want to learn a language, you need a perfect place where you can practice more and more. So English Fantasy is that place where you can practice more and more and learn English with fun and joy. Because we know that practice makes a man perfect. So whenever you enter English Fantasy, you almost forget the Bangla language. Because everyone speaks in English here. Even the girls speak English with us. So, as I'm practicing freehand writing, listening, talk to our teachers every day, so it helps me to enhance my confidence. So basically, I will highly recommend English Fantasy because here you can learn English with fun and joy. So the environment is suitable for learning. Even everyone is so supportive. The teacher, they will always help you in every situation. Whenever you need help, they are with you for help. So basically, I would like to say that English Fantasy is one of the best place where you can learn English. So now I am confident I can speak in English because I have English Fantasy. Actually, we all have English Fantasy, but the choice is yours. So I will recommend you English Fantasy. Thank you so very much.